Hello transformation, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys to achieve the perfect summer glow makeup tutorial. All you need is a little reddish color and a gold. So this is one of my favorite makeup looks, and the eyeshadow palette I'm wearing is INV's Make Me Gold eyeshadow palette. You guys can go purchase on the ivyusa.com website, and all you need was a little bit of reddish brown and some gold. This kind of give you the sunset color vibe, and this is one of my favorite makeup looks of 2024. And if you guys want to achieve this look, subscribe to my channel. If you want to gain more followers, subscribe. And also this full content will be uploaded today, so keep an eye out for it, and thank you for watching.